In today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the S&P 500 futures as they're trading lower today. S&P 500 futures trading lower for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market down about 1.33% off the intraday lows, where we did see them trade below 5,900. Currently priced right at around 5,900 as we move towards the close. So coming off the intraday lows, but still lower by quite a bit here today, giving up much ground that we established earlier in the week. And today we're looking at the futures market trading down to a 1.5 week closing low. And driving factors, a couple things. I think, number one, higher yields continuing to impact the markets, and also the idea that the Fed may not cut as actively as what the market had anticipated. Valuations, I think, is another factor, as by now we're moving through the end of earnings season. And it does appear that there are some concerns as far as valuations with some of these different sectors in the market, as we, again, get some guidance moving into the first quarter of next year. And I think the indications are that we could see a little bit of a slowing and shifting dynamic based on the price action and other asset classes, and particularly when you look at the Treasury markets. Now, general trends, the S&P 500 futures are trading down to a 1.5 week low, but we're seeing basically all the major equity index futures markets lower for a second day, and in the case of the Russell and the NASDAQ, significantly lower. Down about 1.5 to 2%, depending on which futures market we're referring to. But really, the NASDAQ under some heavy selling pressure today, as well as the Russell. Russell really experienced some heavy selling pressure the last couple of days. And all of those are coming off basically all-time highs just about a week ago. So giving up some ground here throughout the week. Selling pressure, valuations, I think, impacting the market, and also just the sentiment shift based on some of the dynamics in the Treasury markets.